With the government tightening social distancing rules, there are rising concerns about the nation's job crisis. Bank of Korea reports 1 in 3 workers could face unemployment if such stricter measures are imposed. Eum Ji-young zooms in on the analysis.
This teacher at a private educational institute had a class to teach on Wednesday, but because of social distancing, it was canceled.
The employment situation in the sector is not good. Most of the instructors at private educational institutes are freelancers and are going through hard times financially.
South Korea's job market has been hammered by the outbreak, seeing an average of 350,000 jobs lost from March to June this year. According to the Bank of Korea's latest report on employment vulnerability, 1 in 3 of around 27 million jobs in South Korea could be at risk if social distancing is made more strict. The report says the jobs most at risk are those deemed non-essential, which accounts for 42% of the total. Around 74% of jobs cannot be done remotely, which makes them highly vulnerable too. Also at risk are jobs that require lots of physical interaction. They account for 55% of all jobs.
Since February, roughly 1 million jobs have been wiped out. Most of them were jobs deemed not essential, that require lots of physical contact, or that cannot be done at home.
An estimated 35% of the entire workforce holds non-essential positions that cannot be done at home, such as working in restaurants. If restrictions are tightened, it's likely they would quickly be laid off. With consumers refraining from dining out because of the virus, the restaurant sector in South Korea has been hit hard and has seen huge job losses.
Sales decreased 50% on year, and accordingly, we had to reduce the number of workers from 4 to 2 to minimize expenses. The shop next door has also reduced its number of employees from 15 to 7.
He added that stricter social distancing could cause things to get worse. Eum Ji-young, Arirang News.